Ecomhunt Pro Dropshipping Product Finder Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description, so you can check it out for yourself. In this video, we'll be reviewing Ecomhunt Pro, an advanced product research tool designed to help dropshippers find profitable products to sell online. We'll discuss its features, strengths, weaknesses, and whether it's the right choice for your dropshipping business. Ecomhunt Pro is an upgraded version of Ecomhunt, offering an array of advanced tools and features that allow you to discover trending products, analyze competition, and predict potential profitability. It's tailored specifically for dropshippers looking for winning products with low competition, making it a valuable resource for both beginners and experienced sellers. The tool helps automate the product research process, saving you time and helping you scale faster. Key features: Trending Product Finder. Ecomhunt Pro continuously updates its database with high-performing trending products across various niches, giving you the latest product ideas. Market Data and Analytics. You get access to in-depth market data, including sales trends, average prices, ad costs, and profit margins for each product. Competitor Research. The tool allows you to analyze successful stores selling similar products, tracking their strategies, pricing, and performance. Winning Product Alerts. Ecomhunt Pro provides alerts for products that are trending or showing high potential, ensuring you never miss a profitable opportunity. Automated Product Importing. Seamlessly import products to your store, complete with images, descriptions, and pricing information. Community Insights. The platform offers access to a community of dropshippers so you can share insights and learn from others' successes and failures. Who is it for? Ecomhunt Pro is ideal for dropshippers who want to streamline their product research process, uncover profitable opportunities quickly, and stay ahead of market trends. It's perfect for both beginners looking to find easy-to-sell products and experienced sellers looking to scale with high-demand items. Strengths and weaknesses. Strengths: automated product research, real-time market data, competitor analysis, easy importing, and trending product alerts. Weaknesses: the subscription cost might be steep for beginners, and some features require a learning curve. Final verdict: Ecomhunt Pro is an excellent tool for dropshippers serious about finding high-quality, profitable products to sell. It saves you time, provides valuable insights, and helps you make informed decisions based on real-time data. If you're looking to take your dropshipping business to the next level, Ecomhunt Pro is definitely worth checking out. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details.